I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to lock your card on Wix for security reasons, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Wix account. Start by signing into your Wix account using your credentials. This will take you to your dashboard where you can manage your site settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you're in the dashboard, find and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Step 3. Go to Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods section. Click on it to view all the payment options linked to your account. Step 4. Lock your card. Find the card you want to lock and look for the lock option next to it. Click on this option to secure your card and prevent any transactions. Step 5. Confirm the action. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you want to lock the card. Make sure to read the message and click Confirm to finalize the action. Remember, if you accidentally lock the wrong card, you can easily unlock it by following the same steps. I hope this guide helps you keep your account secure.